In this video, we will show you how to set up your Heimgard Indoor Siren. The siren is already pre-configured as part of your alarm system and will sound and display light when your alarm is triggered. First step in setting up your new indoor siren is to connect it to a preferred wall socket. You are now ready to pair your indoor siren with your Heimgard app. Open the Heimgard app and click the gear symbol located in the top right corner. Click Manage Devices, then click the plus sign and the Scan for New Device symbol. It's time to activate your indoor siren. Insert the metal pin, click and hold the Join button for 3 seconds while your app is scanning for the device. You are now ready to configure your indoor siren. Name your device and choose your designated room. Add your indoor siren to your security system. You can do this by pressing Advanced, and you can choose a timer for your alarm using the app. It is important that you place the siren out of reach of children. Avoid placing it in closets or cabinets. It reduces sound blast and signal strength. Backup battery lasts for 12 hours fully charged in case of power losses. Thank you for choosing Heimgard. Enjoy your new product. For further information, please visit our website, heimgard.com.